Do you want to make money with crypto in 2026, but you are tired of hype, scams, and confusing advice? Maybe you feel like you already missed the wave, or you are scared of losing money because nobody explains crypto the right way. In this video, I am going to show you how real people are making money with crypto in 2026, even as beginners. No overnight riches, no gambling, just smart strategies you can actually use. If you stay until the end, you will know exactly where to start and what to avoid. Before we start, hi, my name is Jaylen Brooks with Modern Money, and I would like to thank you for stopping by to build wealth with us. If you find value here, please help us by simply clicking the like and subscribe button. And before we start, know that one step in the right direction can change the rest of your life. Now back to the story. Crypto in 2026 is very different from the early days. Governments are involved, big banks are involved, and major companies are building on blockchain technology. This means less wild speculation and more real-world use. The people making money now are not guessing coins. They are following structure, adoption, and long-term systems. Let me break this down step by step. The first way people are making money with crypto in 2026 is long-term holding. This means buying strong projects and holding them for years, not days. Examples include Bitcoin and major blockchain platforms that are actually being used. Instead of chasing pumps, you invest small amounts consistently over time. This strategy is slower, but it is one of the safest ways to build wealth in crypto. The second strategy is earning passive income through staking. Some cryptocurrencies allow you to earn rewards just for holding them in your wallet. Think of it like earning interest, but on digital assets. In 2026, many platforms make this simple and beginner-friendly. This is popular because you do not need to trade or watch charts every day. This part is important. In 2026, you should avoid hype coins, social media promises, and anyone guaranteeing fast profits. If someone promises you easy money, it is usually a trap. Real crypto wealth is built slowly, with discipline and education. Protect your money first, then grow it. If you are new, please research and start small. Use trusted platforms, learn how wallets work, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Education is your biggest asset in crypto. The more you understand, the less you rely on luck. If you want more videos on crypto, business, and building wealth the smart way, comment crypto and I will respond. Also, my Patreon provide inside tools and hacks to help build wealth. If you found any value here, please subscribe to this channel. This is Modern Money with Jaylen Brooks. Here, we focus on education, not hype. Like the video, share it with someone who wants to build a better financial future. Please remember, one moment of effort becomes a lifetime of change.